Hey everybody, so right now I'm in the container store. I am looking for some airtight containers to house a few things that I have at home. I haven't been in this store in so long, but it's so this has always been like a fabulous store. I love it. All right, so let's take a look at some of the stuff they have going on in the container store. Okay, here's one jar. This one is 8 ounces. Okay, this one is 19.6 ounces. All right, so I may go with this one. I can't find anything else, but let's keep looking. So I may get 2 of these, but we'll keep looking. And even this. This is 34 ounces.
I think that one would be better. More rooms, it look like.
Yeah, same price. All right, so this one, airtight, leak-proof seal. And this is 34 ounces as opposed to this one, which is 19 ounces. So same price. I think this one is the winner. I've also been wanting to get some of these right here for my kitchen counter. I want to get rid of the apple canisters that I have, and I wanted to replace it with these. So this morning, January 1st, 2021, we are in the middle of putting things away, putting our Christmas things away. So I'm in the dining room, the formal dining room right now, putting away all of our Christmas decor. Don't know what I'm going to do in here differently. I know I want to do something a little bit different in this room. Not sure what that's going to be yet. But glad to just go ahead and get this done today and out of the way. A few things that I'm just going to take to storage. There are just some items that I keep leaving in the Christmas boxes, our storage containers, every year, and it's been like year 3 and 4, and I've not done anything with them. For instance, like these bows and things, I had these for maybe 5 years. Haven't even taken them off of the container, the package that they came in. So some of these things we're just going to take to Salvation Army, donate those items. Angelina has cleared the Christmas tree. She's done a great job. We've put all of our ornaments in, which are not breakable. They're all like plastic, so that's fine. We put them in a bag. Got one bin going over here. Got another bin over here. We're getting ready to get started. She is now taking everything down off of the mantle. Good morning. So she's taking everything down off of the mantle, and yeah. Oh, I need some place to store our pillows. Hadn't thought about that. They may go in this big bin here. But at any rate, we are getting it cleared out. And yeah, we're going to get ready to put up some nice, beautiful winter decor. So while we're cleaning, we're getting rid of the Christmas items. We've got, I've got my beans going over here. And I'm going to have some ribeye steaks for dinner. I'm thinking ribeye steaks. I'm not quite sure. I may slice them and make some hibachi. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, that's what we've got going so far on this beautiful January 1st, 2021, starting the year off right, and that is with a little bit of organization. All right, everybody, so I wanted to make sure I showed you guys my winter decor. Once I switched out all of my holiday decor, I just did something really simple here to make sure my home stayed warm and cozy feeling throughout these winter months. And so I'm going to just flip it around and show you guys what I have done so far. And this is all I'm going to do. I'm not going to go all out like I usually do. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I've done. All right, guys, so first off, I did get this little piece, this furniture piece right here recently. I needed additional storage for some of my kitchen items. So I went ahead and got this little decorative cabinet for my living room area, and I've stored some things at the bottom of it just to make room. I needed a lot of room in my kitchen, and then I did a lot of decluttering, so there are lots of things I ended up throwing away. So this makes a nice space to just store some things in. And I think I showed you guys where I purchased these little lanterns. I got those at a local flea market. They were like $26, and then it was 40% off of that. I thought that they were so neat and such a really great price. So I went on and got those. I got these books at the Samaritan shop in my daughter's town where she lives at now. And so that's what I wanted them for decor. And so that's the first little piece I've got. I do have a wall piece that I'm going to put here on the wall. I just have not gotten that out of the attic area yet. Moving on to the living room. So I always like to change out my pillows with the season. And so I changed out the really white pillows that we had for the holidays. And I got these ivory color pillows for the winter months. They're so soft and warm and fuzzy. And we just love that soft, warm feeling when we're sitting on the couch and, watching TV or just having family time. So I got those. And what I did was I just went on and added the original pillows that came with our furniture. I put a few of those back on the couch. The others I left in storage and just added the white pillows for a nice winter touch. Also, I think I did show you guys my tissue holder that I got. I think that your tissue holders make really nice decorative pieces. So I got this one here, and I think I showed it to you guys. I showed it to you guys in my haul. This is the one that I got from Ross, and it's just really nice here on this end table. My centerpiece on my coffee table, I am absolutely in love with it. I love it. I think it is so stunning. But I got this beautiful tray right here from Home Goods. It was such a fabulous find. It was only $25. I thought that was a great deal. It's nice. It's sturdy. It's really heavy. It's such a great deal. And I love the decoration there on the inside of the tray. I love this tray. I also, from Home Goods, I got this set of, I don't know what you call these little potpourri looking things. These don't have a scent to them, but I thought that they were really nice and just added a really nice touch to my winter decor here. I got this nice little plant that I've got to accompany everything. And I found this beautiful, stunning candle holder. I found it at the same flea market that I got the lanterns. And I think it is just absolutely stunning. And it just makes this piece really stand out. I love it. For the mantle, I just kept it really simple. I don't know if you guys remember a few videos back, I think this summer, I had purchased these candle holders from a local garage sale, and I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with them. I thought I'd paint them, but once I got started decorating for the winter, they just fit right in at the same color. So I just simply cleaned those off really well. I made sure I sprayed them down, sanitized them really well, and added a little bit of shine to them. And so here they grace our mantle. I added a nice little piece of greenery here. I love it. I can't remember what you call these, but I love this piece right here. I think it just adds a nice little touch of color to the living room. I think I'm gonna get some more greenery to grace our living room space as well. I also got this lantern right here. You guys, I'm in love with lanterns right now. And this one right here is just so different. I love the shape of it. It's not the traditional rectangular shape, but I like the oval shape. It is just really pretty, and I think it looks really nice on the mantle here. So let me let you guys see that. I love it. Nice and simple. Down here by the fireplace, I've had this vase by the door. So what I did was I just got new little inserts for it, along with some white flowers to match the winter colors that I had going on. I thought it was just a really nice touch. It was by our front door, but I thought moving it here by the fireplace would just be a nice little touch to, again, the winter decor. Because I love having throw blankets and things, and we've been spending a lot more time in the living room than usual, I wanted to go ahead and get a basket so that I could just store a few more down here, more than usual, because I'll usually just have one throw. So I got a basket to keep the additional throw in, and then of course I have the one that always drapes across our recliner. I also got one of the original pillows from the furniture to sit right here on the recliner. I thought that that was a nice little touch. I also got this other lantern. This one right here was on clearance. I thought it was really nice. It was on clearance for just $8 at Home Goods. So I went on and scooped it on up. And I got this really wonderful book from the thrift store again. I brought it home and disinfected it really, really well. And it's the faces of Ground Zero, all of those that were involved in the rescue efforts at Ground Zero. It's just stories about them and their heroic efforts. And we're so excited to have that here in our home. Lots of stories from wonderful individuals that did some really great things for after the 9/11 attacks. So I'm glad to have this in my home. So I've got the cute little lantern here, and I've got it there with this fabulous book, which was a wonderful find. It's on the other coffee table. And there you have it, guys. There you have it, our living room space for the winter months. I love it. I think it's just nice, it's warm, it's cozy, and we love it. We love just sitting here and enjoying each other's company. So for the formal dining room, I kept things nice and simple, guys. I just pulled out some pieces that I had up in the attic, and I've had this large decorative plate for a while. I haven't used it in a couple of years, but I thought it would look really nice this winter. So I brought it back out, cleaned it off really well, and I put it here on our buffet table, and I thought it was really, really pretty and just the perfect touch to add to the winter decor. And for my table here, I just kept it really simple, pulled out some old pieces that I had. I bought this right here years ago. When I say years, I mean years. I have been in love with it. It cost a pretty penny, but I was so in love with it that I just went on and purchased it. And I haven't had it on my table in years, probably another 5 or so years, but I thought it would go perfect here and just add to the winter decor. Along with these here, I don't even know what you call them, but I've had these for quite some time. So basically, I just pulled out a lot of my older pieces and utilized those. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, but I wanted to make sure my home stayed nice. And I wanted to look a little bit different for the winter months. I know that on YouTube, we have a lot of YouTubers that do a lot of decorating for the spring and summer and then going into fall, but we really don't get a whole lot of winter decor. But I wanted to make sure that we remembered that, yes, winter decor does exist. So I just did the best I could to make sure the home had that nice, warm winter feel. And didn't do much over here on my china cabinet. Of course, I have more potpourri here in this decorative bowl. And here I have my other little lantern. And I'm going to actually do a little bit more to this. I don't know. I'm thinking I'm going to actually spray paint this because this is the color it came in, but I think I can do a little bit more. I think I'm going to spray paint it a copper color and then utilize it as well. And then a plaque that my mother got me a few years ago. I love it. Well, guys, that is it. That is it for my dining room area. We love it. And yeah, this is my simple, very simple winter decor.